Welcome to the Competence FBOFN 303. Maintain food nutrients in cooking. In this session, our focus is on learning outcome 2. Identify food groups. Let's explore the key topics we'll be covering. First, let's outline the topics. 1. Describing energetic food. 2. Describing bodybuilding food. 3. Describing the body protecting nutrients. Now let's delve deeper into each topic. Describing energetic food. Imagine your body as a high-performance vehicle that needs fuel to run smoothly. These energetic foods are the premium gasoline, supplying the essential energy your body craves for optimal functioning. They mainly comprise carbohydrates and fats, the powerhouses of nutrition. Like the body's preferred rocket fuel, carbohydrates are abundant in grains, fruits, and vegetables, providing the quick energy bursts needed for daily tasks. On the other hand, fats or lipids serve as dense, long-lasting energy reservoirs sourced from nutrient-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and oils. When you think of energy-boosting snacks, envision whole grains, nuts, seeds, and wholesome oils. These are the sustenance that keeps you energized and productive throughout the day, ensuring your body's engine never runs out of steam. Describing bodybuilding food. Think of your body as a busy construction site where meals are the tools for building and fixing muscles. These bodybuilding foods are like the specialized materials needed for the job, packed with essential nutrients. At the heart of this operation are proteins, the building blocks of muscle and tissue. These protein-packed foods, from lean meats and poultry to fish, eggs, and dairy products, lay the groundwork for solid and sturdy muscles. But the construction doesn't stop there. Minerals like calcium, iron, and zinc play vital roles in ensuring the project's success, supporting muscle development and overall health. With a menu featuring lean meats, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and nuts, your body has all the necessary tools to sculpt a powerful physique and achieve peak performance. Describing the body protecting nutrients. Think of your body as a fortress with a robust defense system powered by essential nutrients. These nutrients, which we'll call body protectors, are essential for keeping you healthy and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Among them are vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble and have special jobs like boosting your immune system, keeping your bones strong, and helping your blood clot properly. Then there are B-complex vitamins and vitamin C, which are water-soluble and help give you energy, repair cells, and keep your immune system strong. These body-protecting nutrients come from foods like colorful fruits and veggies, fortified dairy products, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, providing a mix of vitamins and minerals your body needs to stay in top shape. In summary, we've covered identifying food groups, including energetic foods, bodybuilding foods, and body-protecting nutrients. Now, let's assess your understanding. What are the primary nutrients in energetic foods and why are they essential for the body? Can you provide examples of bodybuilding foods and explain their role in muscle growth and repair? Describe the body's functions protecting nutrients and provide examples of food sources for each category. Thank you for joining us in this session. See you next time.